Thank you for tuning to the market update with Russell Calkins for this June 13th, 2018. For the second day in a row, we'll be covering silver futures. We'll be using the daily chart. I use the Bollinger Band myself, and these are the recommendations that I give to myself. In other words, these are the trades that I would do. And you can learn from the recommendations simply because a lot of the technicians out there follow simple strategies such as this. In my view, you really don't want to make it too complex. I was an options trader also, commodity futures options. In fact, probably 95% of my trades were in the commodity futures options market, way out of the money options. No one recommends a way out of the money options that I know of in all the time that I did it. But I averaged 43% return in 23 trades in a row. And I have lost money in the futures markets. But this silver that we're looking at on the daily chart using the Bollinger Bands and also the stochastics and relative strength index. Anything above 80 on the relative strength and stochastics is an overbought condition. Right now we're at 97.15 on silver. So I would be a seller of silver right now at $17.06 an ounce. And I would be a buyer, and this is today's recommendation only. Tomorrow's recommendation can be totally different on this market. But on a position trader for a position trade instead of a day trade, or I get in here, I get in here, I get in here, and this is why in this gap and all that, position traders based on history make the most money because they don't trade around. Okay, now I'm not saying that there aren't some superstar day traders, because there are, and they can even make some of the average position traders look like they're not even making money. So, but a position trader gets in with the strategy that he's entering a market, especially on a daily chart, and about, say, 2 weeks, maybe 2.5, 3 weeks on the daily chart, if you're using the daily chart to make your transaction, is probably going to be your exit point based on the past. Now, nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. Nobody has the crystal ball. Nobody can guarantee a profit by federal law. But if you look at these trends and you look at overbought and oversold conditions and you reverse the position. So I'm recommending right now silver's going up, and I'm recommending to sell it short or sell what you have and then get back in at a lower price. I can also say, looking at this market, that if we do break, however, about 1725, this market could really fly on the upside. So I'm not recommending to put in where to put in stops. All right, I think that's up to the individual trader where they feel comfortable on how much they want to risk. But I'm just giving you the recommendations, what I would do. And the recommendation yesterday was to sell silver also, $16.97, I believe. So this would be a good dollar cost average going against you. Because see, if these factors line up now and it goes higher, your percentages are even more based on the past, that it's going to fall harder and faster than if it goes down from here. Past performance never ever guarantees future profits. Thank you for watching the market update with Russell Calkins. And as always, may God bless you.